Please. 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 Here comes the thirsty time, Big Bird. Nope, not theme song. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do the theme song, Big Bird. Nope. No time Bob doing. No time Bob doing, Big Bird. Oh no, not the girls for the 13th time. No, not girls again, no, don't fall in game for a 13th time. No. Ah! Floating.
In that one spot.
Shh, quiet. Quiet here, I hear music. Quiet here, I hear all the music. Floating. Was it floating? It's floating. I'll be right back after these messages. After these messages. Let's see. You want that? Let's see. None. Right, none. Again, not theme song. No theme song. No, nothing. No theme song. Here's no theme song. No. No. Not time number 14. No. Don't go back here again. No. Don't be gay for 14th time. No. Ah! Floating. That's. Are you okay, Big? You okay, Big Bird? Are you okay, Big Bird? Are you okay, Big Bird? Are you okay? Are you okay, Big Bird? I'm fine. Thanks for warning out. Thanks for the warning out. And well, I told Spud not to. I told Spud to stop it. I told Spud to stop it. You did? Yeah. You know what? I told him to wait a minute too. I told him wait a minute too. I'll give up.